Hey, math students. Once again, I just want to say to you, breathe. So many of you see letters, see algebra, you freak out. This is an easy problem. Come along with me. Trust me. So, we're practicing the basic operations, very first lesson in the crash course, but we're looking at it at an experience level. How might this show up in algebra? Okay, so let's go ahead, take a look. We'll just read the problem first. Translate the phrase into an algebraic expression. And what phrase are we doing? Z squared. This could also say a number, Z squared. It would mean the same thing, just that Z is some unknown number, some number we don't know, a variable that could change. It could be 3, it could be 5, it could be 7. We don't know. So we'll just call it Z. That's all I'm saying by Z, that it's some mysterious unknown number. Now, what am I saying by the directions here? It says translate the phrase into an algebraic expression. Chill out on the language a little bit, guys. First of all, I'm asking you to translate. From what to what? Well, I have an English word, and when I say I want you to translate it into an algebraic expression, I want you to turn the words into the symbols we use in math. That's really easy, especially since we already know the first thing, it's Z. Z, some unknown number. So all we have to know here is the symbol or the sign for squared. Now, some of you guys might remember square is a common name. I call it a nickname. It's not really a nickname. It's another name for this, but it's another name for the second power. The second power. Powers or exponents are those little floating numbers. And the second power is the little 2. Now, a lot of students get mad at me. They say, Kate, if it's square, squares have 4 sides. Shouldn't that mean the fourth power? And I say you're counting the wrong thing. When I call it a square, I'm not referring to the number of sides at all. I'm referring to the number of dimensions. A square is a 2-dimensional shape with the same measurement on both sides. For example, Z and Z. And that's how we get that idea of the second power being called square, because it's that 2-dimensional shape with the same measurements. And just like Z squared means multiplying Z by Z, a couple of Z's, 2 Z dimensions. All right, fun. You didn't have to know all that, but you know me. I just like to tell you all the stuff, you guys. Okay, so there's your answer, Z squared. Super simple. If you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.